Yeah, so let's go right into it. So you can clearly see that price was in a consolidation phase here, right up until when we got the market structure shift somewhere around here, and price priced into optimal trade entry. You can see that price broke this high. After breaking that high, see we saw price go right into optimal trade entry, right? So price go right into optimal trade entry. So price did here. Price all the way came and tapped into 0.61, and then ultimately from there started the uptrend. So what are you expected to do? You can clearly see that there is some sort of diagonal trend line here, diagonal line, which we call a trend line. That's an imaginary support line that is preventing price, that is preventing price from going down, right? So what we can see here is price just consolidating upwards. In other words, we just say ranging upwards. Let me use that word. So price giving us series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So right up until where price is sitting at right now, this is what price has done. So now the next thing you need to do is to pick your indicator, go and search for relative strength index. It's a very strong indicator that shows when an asset is being overbought. So you can clearly see now that what price is doing here after you've added the relative strength index. After adding the relative strength index, first of all, you can clearly see that from this price action here, price is giving us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. But this is like an internal highs and lows, right? Compared to the overall outlook of the uptrend. But we say these are internal highs and lows. So now bring up your RSI, because price is showing that it's still looking like it's going to buy, it's going to still continue in the uptrend. But when you look at your RSI, you see that RSI is showing us something else, right? Chart is showing higher highs and higher lows, but RSI is showing lower lows and lower highs. So that's the first sign that this trend is beginning to get weakened. It's already weak. So the trend is already weak. So what you need to do now is to wait for like a liquidity sweep. Because let's even mark it out so that you see clearly. Look at what price did here. Price is moving in this direction, but if you look at RSI is moving downwards. So that's the first sign you need that the trend is weak. So moving on. So after spotting that, we need like a sell side, like a buy side liquidity grab. So we need like a buy side liquidity grab. So you mark out this recent high. And let's see what price will do. That might not happen, but two things that we are looking for is a buy side liquidity grab. When we get that buy side liquidity grab, that's another confirmation. After that buy side liquidity grab, next we need price to break out of this trend line. Yes, we need a breakout. So let's see if that's what price will do. You can see that the trend still rejected price, which is okay. So let's see if we get a very good, we got a liquidity sweep. After that liquidity sweep, now we are expecting price to break this low here. That's our market structure shift. And ultimately, break out of the trend line, and boom, we break out of the trend line. Now let's see if we are going to get a liquidity, a market structure shift rather. So it's looking like a downtrend has already started here. So let's see. I need this low to be violated. Boom, there we have it. The low got violated. Now we already know that the uptrend has altered. So whether price wants to start ranging low or changing from an uptrend to a downtrend, we don't know that. But all we just want to capitalize on this move and catch like a short-term sell. So let's see. So market did this, gave us this high, then didn't break the low right outly. So we got this and this, then we got this. Actually, okay, let's see what price will do next. Okay, price still going down. Very good. Oh, very good. So now what do we expect? This is the low that we are talking about. So now that we got this, we want to look for our entries now. We want to look for entry to catch a short term sell. So we take our Fibonacci retracement to drag it from this high, because that's the most significant high there, and drag it to this low. So now, we look for the sell confluence, right? The sell PO high, entry PO high, that is sitting right at the 0.618 zone, which is somewhere around there. You can clearly see that there's a bearish order block here. So mark out that order block. Mark it out. There you have it. Now place your entry right at the tip, couple of pips, like 1 or 2 pips below 0.618 line, Fibonacci line. So you can put it right at the tip of the order block, because sometimes when you put it right at the 0.618, you might miss the trade might not actually go there. So just put your stop loss at 40 pips. In this case, I'm using 40 pips stop loss because I'm taking this trade on daily, on 1 hour time frame. So you have to respect whatever your setup is giving you. You have to use the right appropriate stop losses and the appropriate take profit. So now we've put the stop loss at above this high here, because I don't expect price to come all the way back to this high. So the appropriate place to put your entry would have been this low, right? So that will give you a 1-to-1 risk to reward. But then for the sake of this video, we know that price will target the previous higher low, and use it as a trend line liquidity, right? So we're probably going to target that one. So in most cases like this, when you have setups like this, you can decide to do like a 1-to-2 risk to reward, because market respects 1-to-2 risk to reward. So you can do 1-to-2 risk to reward. So this is 1-to-2 risk to reward. Yeah, this is 1-to-2 risk to reward. You can see that it's just a couple of pips right below the previous low from the uptrend. So now let's see what will happen. Let's see if we get tagged into this trade. So let's see. Boom, we got our entry there. So let's see if we get TP. Price consolidating right at around our entry zone. So let's see if we get a TP. Okay, moving good. Okay, and it's okay for price to do this, because price doesn't move in a straight line, right? So no panicking, just stick to the plan. No panicking. Boom, there you have it, a full TP. So this is how you can catch trades like this. Please like, comment, and follow the channel. It encourages me to drop more insights like this, more trading tips like this. So that's the only way that I will be excited to do more of these videos. And you can even drop in the comment section and suggest whatever aspect of the forex trading that you are having difficulties, I can help by sharing some excuse me, some insights. So like, comments, and follow the boy. Houdini signing. I'll see you on the next one.